What's up, everyone? I am BuzzBuzz, and today we're gonna be playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Woo! You guys missed out on entrance. Whatever. Oh, okay. The music's just stopping after that. Let's press on tutorials. Wait, what? Huh? Okay, Johnny is as ruthless as he is handsome. He uses his good looks to stalk and prey on those who he considers weaker than him. Johnny's weapon of choice is skinning knife he receives from Grandpa. Johnny is so powerful, in fact, that he attacks often leave victims concussed. This leaves them confused and dazed for short periods of time after hitting them. And there's most like, oh, wait, I can pause it. And like most serial killers, Johnny is an expert at stalking, hunting his prey. By activating his hunting abilities with that click, Johnny can search the environment quickly and identify clues left by victims. Cool. Johnny is buff. Look at that guy. Damn, he's jacked. Once a clue is discovered, Johnny can press E to analyze it further, ultimately revealing the victim's most recent navigation path. Oh, so he's like a dog. Depending on how recent the trails were left behind, his abilities can sometimes lead him directly to a cowering victim for a quick kill. Good job, Johnny. But remember, abilities can only be activated for so long before a cooldown is applied. Try to plan and coordinate with the other family members so you're hunting down at the right time. Alright, what's up with how to play as family?
Part of the family now.
Oh.
It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping.
Yeah.
The family's way of life depends on it.
What?
Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map, or by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective.
Oh, Grandpa
The stronger he is,
to eat.
the more powerful his sonar ability will become.
Sonar.
Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough, and he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match.
Ooh.
Remember, Grandpa is the best killer that ever was.
Only problem is Grandpa dying.
Hunt down the victims using abilities and teamwork. Look for signs of movement and listen for noise. Pay attention to your surroundings and keep your eyes and ears open. You never know where one of those victims might be hiding. Speaking of abilities, each family member has a unique ability that can help hunt and track down victims. Careful though. Some abilities have limited quantities, while others are on a cooldown. So hunt wisely.
Did she just barf into a building?
Make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. The direct approach isn't always the best, so use your fellow family members when possible. But once your plan unfolds and you get them within range, hit them. Then hit them again.
Got it.
And remember, if you do manage to successfully hit or execute a victim, take that blood to Grandpa. He's hungry and needs his strength in order to help you. Oh, don't let a single victim escape. After all, we win as a family, or we lose as a family.
I'm scared. Ah. So I have to listen to all of these to lock him. Oh! Whether under control of the family due to the feeling of being threatened, Leatherface motives are unknown. He's a brutal killer who wields a chainsaw as his chosen weapon. He is the most ruthless family member. Yeah, he's Chainsaw Man. To start the chainsaw, press that one, and to yank the cord using the E at the right time. Once the chainsaw's running, make sure you keep it revved or it might stall and quit on you. If that happens, you'll have to complete by starting a mini game all over again. Leatherface can also turn his chainsaw off. This will allow him to sneak around quietly and catch unsuspecting victims off guard. I feel like I'm gonna suck at this part. You can also cut down barricades, doors, and other obstacles with a chainsaw. This will take away stealth and traverse options for our victims, therefore benefiting the entire family. The strength of the attacks are tied directly to the rev feature, so the longer you rev the chainsaw, the more powerful the attack will be. To attack, simply press this button. To unleash the power attack, you will have to rev the chainsaw to its limit. Once you see smoke and red before the chainsaw overheats, press the attack button and unleash what could be a one-hit kill. Careful though, if you don't time it perfectly, the saw will overheat. Damn. Leatherface is a much more varied character than he initially appears. He is punishing menace who can kill victims at an instant, but he can also play stealthily and support the family. I think this is so many. Cook runs a gas station, older. Honestly, I feel like we should just... Let's just play. I think we got it down. Oh, it's multiplayer.
Part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape.
Something
Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered
Feed
around
Grandpa.
the map, or by
Lock
attacking
doors.
victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective. The stronger he is, the more powerful
Grandpappy
sonar
needs his
ability
blood.
will become. Pretty soon he'll be
Grandpappy
finding and
needs his
highlighting victims for the
blood.
whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough, and he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match.
Yeah, Grandpa is really
Remember,
good.
Grandpa
Don't
is the
fail.
best killer that ever
Yeah.
walked.
All right. He can thrust his chainsaw where? Oh, hey, I'm Harley Zero Queen. I'm Leatherface. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready. Broski, you better get ready. Because we're gonna be going for you. I didn't know this was a real, like, people with people game, but, you know, I'm Leatherface, so I'm cool. Yeah, we're starting, finally. Secure the property. Hunt and collect lead from the victims. Execute the victims. Yes, sir, I will. So there is no gore showing in this game. Oh, is that me? That's me. That's me. Hello? Shit, who just hit me? Hello, can I move? Hello? Huh? How does one move in this game? Okay, so my computer. It's too dark in this game. Yeah, I might suck ass, guys. It might just be this light bulb. Sorry, you guys can't see me anymore. Ow! Where am I, guys? I don't even see anything. Ooh. Ooh. I'm in the slushy. Ah, I see them. I see them big. Bro, you don't gotta be that loud. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, Grandpa's hungry again, but my bitch ass loud. Bitch ass. Yeah. Okay, may I move again? Hello? If only I could move. Okay, so that was a waste of my time. Why am I so slow? Guys, I'm like, I think I'm the victim here. I'm like stuck. Oh, good for him, I guess. I can't secure the place if I don't even know where I'm at. You hear me? I just want to go outside so I can see where I'm walking. I think I'm walking in circles. Guys, this is the same place I was. Yeah, Grandpa, I can't feed you right now. Oh, why am I so fat? Can I literally not? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. If only I would fit in through these holes. Grandpa is in danger. No, Grandpappy. Oh no! No, Grandpappy. Guys, I literally can't move. Hello? I thought I saw. Oh, yeah, I did see someone. Oh, I can run? Guys, I can run. I'm so stupid. Guys, I lost a person because I was too busy focusing if I could run. Stop. Oh, it's the exit. Exactly. Shut the up. Guys, I'm out. Oh my god. I see the broad daylight. This man can't even walk. Guys, why is this game way harder than I thought it was gonna be? Oh. Oh. Why is this place massive? Are you... Sir, who the who are you? Alright. Hello? That's not that efficient. Oh. Alright. I feel like something about him is just so small. It's just so... He's just so sad and slow. Like, I never get in this victim. How am I supposed to get this person if they're so fast? And look at me thumping around with my big ass boots. Oh, woman? I had to scream. What are you doing? Cue an anime combat noises. So that was actually really embarrassing. Oh, it was E, not escape. And the... Huh? 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 Huh?
You've been captured by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left
That
for
was
dead.
embarrassing
You must do
that I
whatever
did
it takes
that.
to escape the family's property at all costs.
No,
Find
my
your
property's
friends,
amazing.
hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health.
Please, no. Okay, I'm hitchhiker this time. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm the hitchhiker this time. So this time, I get to be a guy with, I actually didn't read this one, guys. We didn't read the intro. We didn't read what it said. What's this say? Okay, it won't tell me. I'll be back in a bit then. Alright, so we're back. And I'm securing the property. I am feeding Grandpa's blood. And I hunt and collect blood from the victims. And I will, most importantly, execute the victim. Why does they keep the same cutscene? The same ass cutscene. Alright, well, that's the same cutscene as the time before. Oh. He's me for real. Yeah, I better go check on.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta fight you.
Who's singing? Is that Sissy? Oh, hi, Sissy. Better go check on the grandpa. Am I right? The grandfather. Ooh. Wait. Okay. I gotta set the trap right here. Right? Yeah.
This'll catch him.
Yeah, that'll actually catch him, I think, because the door seems... What's this? Persons. Wait. That's my chunky brother, Leatherface. Yeah, that's just my chunky brother.
Are you okay, Grandpa? Here, drink this.
Ooh! 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 Fucking bitch!
Why I gotta do everything in this family?
No, for real. I get you. Did someone just come right behind me?
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
Thank you, Grandpa. Or is this still my chunky brother? No, it's not. Fuck you, I was literally right there. Oh wait, you're Sissy. My bad. My bad. Oh my god, my bad. Ah, I thought you were a victim. I was like, ah, finally I got someone, but no, I just hit my sister instead like a fucking idiot. Oh, did I just see some trees move, guys?
Oh, sugar. I'm tougher than I look.
Ooh.
Gotta pay more attention.
No. She's over there. Fucking
Too
bitch.
bad Grandpa ain't able. He was the best there ever was.
Literally. Where the f are you? You were literally right. Where'd you go? Oh, that's my brother. Do I not have a flashlight or something? Oh! 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 Bro, you're my fucking brother. The fuck?
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
Bro, you failed at everything, so I don't know if you're the best of them all. You kind of suck at what you're doing.
God, please, help us.
Where the fuck is the final victim? Ah. I see him, I see him, I see him! Guys! No. Nope, that's just the girl. Bro. No time for your stupid little catchphrases, you hear me?
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Yeah, it's not you. Huh? Bro. Literally, shut up. What is left of them? Literally nothing, because we were a disappointment to the family. One more. Oh, I'm the cook. What does the cook do? I don't know, but I'm ready.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas.
All I know is that I
The
cook
Sheriff's Department
things.
says Maria Flores,
I
a
cook
native
things
of Uvalde, was last seen
real
near
good.
the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging.
Yeah.
How much you enjoy this? Some things just gotta be done.
Bro, I gotta cook the meat, you know? You know what I'm saying? Gotta cook the meat. So, someone's gotta do it.
I know you around here somewhere.
Alright, so I've got cool. Yeah, no more crawl spaces.
I'm too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
Honestly. Gotta feed the father, you know what I mean? Wait, where's this Grandpappy? Oh, Grandpappy! Grandpappy! Ah, there you are.
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now.
You're welcome, Grandpappy. As I am the cook, I don't cook, I don't clean. Wait, I can't sing that. I'm so good at my job, all I do is block things and eat. I mean feed people, I feed people. You know, all I can do right now is hope. I feel like Leatherface is killing someone. Alright, blooped. Ugh. I don't get to go through those tight places. Oh! Well, that was unfortunate. Yeah, I'm remembering that one. That was random ass things. Oh, wait. No, that's important because they're from here, right? Ah. Yeah, let's put that padlock on. Wait, that might just be useful. Oh my god! Whoa! Why did I get jump scared on that one? Hello? Who maddened this man? Who thudded? Who thudded? Can I not add a padlock? Padlock. Bitch, you thought. But you can't leave now. You thought you could leave.
We're the ones who do all the killing.
Let me get your grandpa. Let me get you, grandpa. I got you. I got you. I got you, grandpa. You hungry and I got you. I got you, grandpa. I got you, grandpa. I got you. I got you, grandpa. I got you, grandpa. I got you. I got you. Where the f you, grandpa? Bitch, that's not where grandpa is. Where's grandpa? Grandpappy? You're gonna drink up.
That's it. Tastes good, don't it?
Tastes good, don't it? There you go, Grandpappy. Ah, I thought you were fucking big. Bitch. Go somewhere else, bitch. Do something for a change. Like feed your grandpappy. Feed your grandpappy. Oh, I get to climb. I'm so tall. Look at me. Oh my god. Oh, look at me.
Come on back now. Let's just get this over with.
Okay. Where are these victims? They're not showing up. Oh, one just got bringled. One bringled in.
I'm sick of eating scraps.
Grandpa, nobody likes you, but I gotta feed you or else
Take
you'll
this
probably
now.
kill me.
It'll perk you right up.
It'll perk you right up.
You're gonna peter out soon. It always happens.
So where are you? All you losers, where are you? That was definitely Leatherface. That was not. Oh, shut the fuck up.
What the heck is everybody doing? We should have found him by now.
No, for real. Okay. All right. Who's dying? Shut the fuck up. Yeah, you can't get out from there. No way are you getting out from there. Let's add a padlock. Ooh! Ooh! If only I could find them. Get out of here.
Just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
I pressed the wrong button, didn't I? Yeah. Did the guy die? Hey, that was my victim. Hey, that was mine. He was mine. That was literally mine. That's not funny. Damn, I'm strong.
Grandpa was still able. This would have been long over by now.
Don't try to hit me up. Did you kill him? Did you kill him? It was mine. Shut the Shut up. Oh, he's running away. He's running away, he's running away. You fucking stupid. You're so fucking... Ah! Why can't I... He's mine, he's mine. Aww, I wanted the last one. Where is he? Where is he? Damn, I could have just put the lock down, bitch. First of all, that lock's going... This is going down. Yeah. We're not... Ooh! 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 I want to see this. I want to see this. I want to see this. Grandpa, where are you? Grandpappy, where'd you go? Grandpappy. Hello? Alright. Nowhere to hide. Except the victim is hiding. Very nicely, too. I see them. I see them. I see them. Where'd you go? Thank you. Bro, can... Come on. Come on. No, no, come on. Why do I have the weakest armor? Thank you. Fuck you. I did that. I did all the work. He just took the kill for me. I did that. I did that. He just took the kill for me. I swear. 0 kill. I swear I did that. She was good, not gonna lie. Alright. That was it for tonight because I'm tired. But I did like that game. I don't know. It was interesting. Not gonna lie, I just suck at it right now, but I think I've gotten the hang of it as of the last one, and I think I am ready to play again next time. But for now, I'll see you guys later. I'm probably gonna play this some other time since it's spooky. Ooh, that's not how it was supposed to work. Since it's spooky season soon. Yeah. yeah. So, I'll see you guys later. Alright? Bye! Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all that jazz, you know, it would help me out a lot. Alright, love you guys. Bye!